Your body does some pretty amazing things, and you probably don't give it the credit it deserves, especially when it comes to the amazing things it can do without you even realizing it. Don't believe us? Then watch this video and learn about 5 of the most mind-blowing ways your body operates behind the scenes. Take note, because after you finish reading this article, you'll never look at yourself, or your body, in the same way again. 1. The human brain can create new cells. Did you know that your brain can create new cells? This remarkable capability, known as neurogenesis, is a process by which the brain forms new neurons in the hippocampus, an area of the brain important for learning and memory. This process was first discovered in the 1960s and has since been studied extensively. While it was originally thought that this process could only take place in younger brains, more recent studies have demonstrated that it can occur throughout adulthood. Neurogenesis is still an active area of research, and scientists are beginning to understand the role it may play in improving memory and learning. The ability for the human brain to create new cells is an incredible feature and underscores the complexity of the brain. It's amazing to think that our brains can constantly adapt and form new connections as we learn more about the world around us. So next time you sit down to learn something new, remember that your brain is growing with you. 2. The tongue is the strongest muscle in the body. Did you know that your tongue is the strongest muscle in your body? It's true. Your tongue helps you eat, talk, and even breathe. It's also one of the most powerful muscles when it comes to strength. The tongue can lift up to 8 pounds of weight, which is twice as much as your bicep can lift. That's impressive. This power comes from its composition, which consists of 8 distinct muscles that work together to make complex movements. Thanks to its strength and flexibility, the tongue can help with all kinds of tasks. For example, it helps us swallow food, speak clearly, and taste what we're eating. It also helps us form complex sounds, like when we sing or speak a foreign language. The tongue is incredibly important for our health, too. It helps us detect potentially dangerous things in our environment and helps us digest food properly. And because it's so flexible, it's able to take on different shapes and sizes in order to fit into different parts of the mouth. So next time you're enjoying a meal or speaking a new language, remember to thank your tongue for all the hard work it's doing. It truly is an amazing muscle with impressive power. 3. The eye can see more shades of green than any other color. The human eye is capable of some truly remarkable things, and one of those is the ability to see more shades of green than any other color. That's right, our eyes can distinguish up to 500 shades of green. To put this into perspective, our eyes can see only 100 shades of red and 50 shades of blue. This incredible range of colors means that our eyes are especially attuned to detecting green in the environment around us. This heightened level of sensitivity allows us to see subtle changes in vegetation and helps us to better detect camouflage in nature. It also helps us to better spot dangers like poisonous plants or dangerous insects. This unique feature is made possible thanks to the retinal ganglion cells in our eyes. These cells contain 2 types of color-detecting pigments, red-sensitive cones and green-sensitive cones. The green-sensitive cones are far more numerous than the red-sensitive cones, allowing us to see more shades of green than any other color. So next time you're out in nature, take a moment to appreciate the incredible power of your eyes. You'll be amazed at how many shades of green you can detect. 4. The stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve razor blades. Your stomach acid is incredibly powerful and can do some pretty amazing things. Did you know that it's strong enough to dissolve razor blades? It's true. Stomach acid is made up of hydrochloric acid, which is incredibly corrosive and can break down almost anything it comes in contact with. It's estimated that the pH level of your stomach acid is between 1 and 2. This level of acidity is strong enough to break down razor blades, so it's not surprising that it can easily digest food as well. This powerful acid also helps to protect your body from bacteria and other pathogens that may enter through the food we eat. When we have an upset stomach, our bodies naturally produce more hydrochloric acid to break down whatever is causing the irritation. This can lead to a condition called acid reflux, when the stomach acid backs up into the esophagus and causes pain and discomfort. Thankfully, there are many medications available to help reduce the amount of stomach acid produced, and thus reduce symptoms of acid reflux. So, next time you reach for a razor blade to shave, remember that the same substance that keeps you safe from harmful bacteria is also capable of breaking down metal. Your stomach acid is truly a remarkable thing. 5. The bones in the human body are stronger than concrete. When you think about the human body, you may not think of it as being stronger than concrete. But the truth is, your bones are actually stronger than concrete. Bone is made up of a composite material that gives it its strength. This composite material has properties that make it significantly stronger than concrete in terms of compression and tension. That's right, your bones are incredibly strong and can withstand more than you might think. Not only are they incredibly strong, but they're also very lightweight. This means that your skeleton can support your body without adding too much extra weight. So next time you feel like your body isn't strong enough, remember that it can actually be as strong as concrete.